Hi, today I'll show you how to turn on local DNS. It's actually quite easy, but let me explain what it means. The local DNS helps our computer understand domain names when we are working locally. So when we type the domain name into our browser or maybe a terminal, our computer knows that how to find it and it connects to our local web server and shows the website that it's running in our machine. Now let's take a look at the demonstration. I'm in my terminal. I have my web server running in it, which is Apache 2. In other words, we also call it as HTTPD. I'll go back to my browser and hit localhost. So when I hit localhost, it will try to access the website that is running in my local. And along with that, there is also another path, and this is Apache server status, and it is giving my system information, which is fine. Now, if I go back to my terminal and search for my IP address with the ifconfig, 192, yeah, this is my IP address of my local machine, and this is broadcast IP, which we don't need. So this IP I will take, which is also nothing but my local host itself. So even if I hit this, it is giving the same response. Means though we enter the domain name, the DNS basically resolve it to the IP address and it will try to the access the website that is running in our machine. So the way DNS works is it converts domain name to IP address and IP address to the domain name. Now, even if I give the path server hyphen status, it is giving the same response like the way we are getting with the local host. All right. So instead of remembering this IP address or the local host, we can give a user-friendly domain name to our machine and access these websites with the help of those domain names. So for that, we can go to our terminal. Let me clear the screen. We can add the domain names in a file /etc/host. So this is the file that we edit. Since it is in etc directory, we have to use sudo. Okay, I'll give the IP address. This is my local IP and give my user friendly name as techhub.com. So this is the domain name I'm assigning, which basically resolves locally. As I said, like this is nothing but our local host. I'm saving it. Now I'll go back to browser. If I hit techhub.com, it is giving the same response like the way we were getting with the local host. Means it is directly resolving to my local host internally because we have enabled it to resolve the domain internally. And if I give server hyphen status, it is also giving the same response like the way we were getting over here. So this is how we can enable the local DNS. That's all for this session. Thanks for watching.